Good evening, this is Supriya Menon reporting live from Alappuzha, Kerala state. Behind me, you can see the devastating impact of the continuous rainfall for the past 48 hours. The river has overflowed its banks, flooding homes, roads, and even cutting off several villages from essential supplies. Authorities have declared red alert and rescue teams are working around the clock to evacuate the stranded families. Local residents say the water level is rising rapidly and many have taken shelter in relief camps set up by the government. Sir, thank you for speaking with us. Can you tell us how the situation has been for you and your family since the flooding began? Okay, what kind of help do you and your neighbors need right now? Okay, sir, that was local resident Mr. Raghavan. With the power outages, blocked roads and disrupted communication lines, the situation remains critical. People are being urged to stay indoors, avoid traveling and follow safety advisories closely. We will continue to bring you the latest updates and as the situation unfolds. This is Supriya Menon reporting for Nation 24 from the flood-hit region of Alappuzha, Kerala state. Thank you.